PRP actually adds volume because what happens when you actually give PRP, the nutrients and the growth factors in PRP will actually bring the phase, change the phase of the hair from cataphase to anaphase, where most of the hair will actually, the falling will be less and the growth will be higher. So naturally, you will start seeing small baby hair growing within 2 to 3 months of first session of PRP. Maybe by third session, actually, you'll appreciate a lot of new hairs coming, and the old hair, which is actually falling regularly, will actually get arrested. So that definitely the volume increase will be appreciated in usually 5 to 6 months time after PRP session.